G-Shock watches have built a reputation for toughness, reliability, and feature-rich design, traits that matter to outdoor enthusiasts, tactical professionals, and everyday users who demand resilience from a timepiece. This comparison analyzes 5 G-Service Casio-branded models, spanning budget to premium, focusing on durability, feature sets, accuracy, battery strategy, and value.
Product number 1. GA2100 Series Watch. The GA2100 introduces Casio's carbon core guard with a round stainless steel case overlaid by resin and carbon fiber, delivering a lightweight yet exceptionally stiff structure. It maintains the iconic low-profile shape of the GA line while adding analog timekeeping with a digital subdial, red dial accents, and a carbon fiber-influenced aesthetic. Water resistance is rated to 200 meters or 20 ATM, and the model retains standard G-Shock features like shock resistance, mineral crystal, and a tang buckle. Model GA2100-1A1 provides a compact, tough option with a bold design language that blends sport usability with a modern look. Performance-wise, the GA2100's carbon core guard contributes to fracture resistance under impact, which is advantageous for people who frequently knock their wrists during outdoor activities. The combination of analog and digital displays offers quick readouts with an additional digital subdial for secondary timing tasks. While the GA2100 emphasizes durability and aesthetics, users should note that the 43 to 46 mm class case, depending on exact variant, can feel sizable for very small wrists, though the lug-to-buckle footprint is generally well balanced for everyday wear. The watch ships in a presentation box, signaling a premium unboxing experience that aligns with its mid-range price point.
Product number 2. DW9052 Series Men's Digital Watch, G-Shock, 1/100th second stopwatch, countdown timer. The DW9052 is a budget-friendly Casio G-Shock digital model built for essential timing needs. It offers 200 m water resistance, a 1/100th second stopwatch, countdown timer, LED backlight, multi-function alarms, auto calendar, and dual time. The rugged black resin case and band provide a no-nonsense tool watch vibe, making it a popular entry point for those seeking G-Shock toughness without a premium price. Performance-wise, the DW9052 delivers reliable quartz timekeeping with practical features that cover everyday training intervals, timing workouts, and daily reminders. Its large round case, approximately 48.5 mm diameter, 14.7 mm thick, ensures legibility in dim conditions via the LED backlight. The absence of solar charging or radio-controlled accuracy means battery changes are less predictable than solar models, but its simple, serviceable design keeps maintenance minimal. The watch's 9-inch band length and sturdy resin build make it a functional, value-oriented choice for budget-conscious buyers. Product number 3. G-Shock GA100-1A1 Men's Tough Analog Digital Watch, 200-meter water-resistant, shock. The GA100-1A1 blends analog visibility with digital sophistication, offering a 1,000th second stopwatch, speed indicator, countdown timer, 5 daily alarms, and world time. With 200-meter water resistance and magnetic resistance, this model is tailored for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts who require precise timing in variable environments. Its matte black resin case and large high-contrast display deliver a commanding presence that's legible at a glance. Performance-wise, the GA100-1A1 emphasizes toughness with a robust 5.1 centimeter case diameter and 16.9 millimeter thickness, ensuring readability during high-intensity activities. The Japanese quartz movement ensures reliable accuracy, while the LED backlight with afterglow supports night operations.
The model's oversized design and high-contrast layout are excellent for quick timing and training, but the bulk can be less comfortable for all-day wear on smaller wrists. It's a versatile, high-utility choice for those who want both analog and digital capabilities in a single rugged package.
Product number 4. G-Shock GD100-1B. Men's Tough Digital Watch. 200-meter water resistant. High brightness LED. Dual time. World time. 1/100th second stopwatch. Countdown timer and 5 daily alarms. Its all-block aesthetic and large display are designed for tactical use and outdoor environments where quick readability is paramount. Performance-wise, the GD100-1B's high brightness LED ensures readability in low light or night missions, which is a compelling advantage for professionals who rely on quick glance timing. The 200-meter water resistance and shock protection align with rugged field use. Battery life is promoted as long, 7-year, courtesy of efficient circuitry and typical Casio solar-era power management. Though this model is not solar-powered, it relies on a standard battery. The dual time and world time features add value for travelers coordinating across zones, while the durable resin case supports heavy use with minimal maintenance. Product number 5. G-Shock GW-M5610U-1 Men's Solar Black Resin Sport Watch. The GW-M5610U-1 represents the premium tier in this lineup, featuring tough solar charging and multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping inside a slim octagonal case. It combines solar reliability with radio-controlled accuracy, ensuring low maintenance and high precision across time zones. The auto light feature with wrist tilt adds convenience in dark environments, and the classic square face with a neutral gray dial maintains the retro G-Shock aesthetic. Performance-wise, the GW-M5610U-1 is the standout for users who prioritize minimal maintenance and peak accuracy. Solar charging reduces battery anxiety, while multi-band 6 ensures the watch updates to atomic time in most regions, provided there is at least some signal. The case is relatively compact for a G-Shock at 46.7mm by 43.2mm and 1/8" band, which improves comfort for daily wear while maintaining ruggedness. The auto light function, while convenient, can be inadvertently activated by wrist motion in bright environments. Users should be mindful of energy consumption in darker settings.